If I asked you to name a current living female scientist, could you? How about a Latino scientist or a scientist who speaks Spanish? Could you identify the name of a scientist who is a member of the LGBTQ community? Why not? The reason these questions can be difficult to answer is because science and culture have historically been separate worlds, but it is now time to stop treating them as separate worlds. It's time that we as educators and leaders in our schools integrate science and culture because they cannot be discussed or talked about or taught separately. You cannot use one without the other. As educators, we have a responsibility and an opportunity to first decolonize our minds and recognize how race, gender, language, and our various identities intersect and impact science. Now more than ever, it's important that we prepare our students and take time in our classrooms to merge both science and culture together. In this session, we will create and cultivate an environment where we can center the identities of our students and strategize solutions so that we can effectively integrate social justice, equity, and science together. I want you to walk away with engaging tools that will be critical and intentional for your students, and it will support you in supporting them in how they disrupt the status quo, support disenfranchised communities, use a critical lens when they're looking at science in our country, and also supporting them in online and offline activism as it relates to both social justice and science. I can't wait to see you there.